What if studying felt easy and actually stuck? In this video, you'll learn a simple way to make any topic brain-friendly. Big subjects and tons of terms can be overwhelming, so I'll show you 5 steps that help your brain understand faster and remember longer. We will plan, build a model, label it so it sticks, ask smart questions, and imagine how you use the knowledge in real life. So, step 1 will be plan. Get clear on what you need and sort the key terms. The step 2 will be thinking mode. Build a physical model or a playful virtual hotel. Step 3 will be technical terms. Label your model to make memories. The step 4, query in mind. Ask why and what's the benefit to deepen understanding. Step 5 will be virtual reality. What means picture future situations where you will use what you have learned. These are brain-friendly ideas inspired by the Birkenbihl method, practical, visual, and easy to use. So grab a notebook and let's start with step 1.
Your first step is to plan what you need. Familiarize yourself with the topic and identify what material or subjects needs to be learned. Best start to categorize and sort terms that you can start planning what your first steps will be. In your second step, you build a model physically. Best example is when you study medicine. You can build yourself a skeleton model. If this is not possible, familiarize yourself with the subject and the concepts of the topic in a playful way. For example, build yourself a virtual hotel and locate the topic on a floor. The terms are located in the rooms. This is really helpful when you study a complex subject and have to go through a lot of material. If you split it up to the rooms, it will be much easier for you to learn and remember. In the third step, you introduce yourself to the actual learning. You label your model. You will see that this activity is linked with incidental learning and how effective this activity is when you remember everything from your model. This creates the necessary preferred learning pathway in your brain, which gives you new neural pathways in your knowledge network. The same applies to the subject in the virtual rooms in the hotel. In the fourth step, you ask yourself questions about your topic. For example, what is the purpose of? What is the benefit? Why did nature invent something? If you find the answers to your own questions, what you have learned will make much more sense to you, and it will be much easier for you to answer questions asked by others about your learning material in the future. Let's quote Klaas Melander on this occasion. He said, "By using our imagination, we simulate the future and mentally anticipate such situations." So in the fifth step, you imagine in a virtual reality. What can you do later with the knowledge you have gained? How will you work with the knowledge you have gained? How useful or significant will it be for your future?
Try it out to prepare your learning material with these 5 steps, and best use simultaneously our other Birkenbihl methods already introduced. And if you like this video, do not forget to click like and subscribe.